You haven't taken it yet?
No, it's not due till tomorrow.
Tomorrow?
Yeah. Mine says
I thought
Friday.
I thought the thought it closed on Wednesday.
I don't know. If I did, I missed it, but mine said Friday. I swear.
Hmm.
I'm gonna have to look now. Now I'm nervous.
Sorry.
I hope it didn't close.
Well, you can just email him and be like, I misread something. My bad. Open it up for me, please.
Yeah, mine says Unit 1 exam tomorrow.
That's cool. I had to take mine yesterday.
Huh.
Yeah. I got an 86 on it, though.
Nice.
And I was like, ah! I was like, this is
Right?
a miracle.
If I can just remember to open the applet, I'll be okay.
Yeah.
Like, but then I forget to open it and I always end up exiting out of the quiz somehow and
It like right before you take the test, it like has a bunch of things for you to open, and so one of the links will open the applet up for you.
you have to do it through the VMware or whatever that software is.
So for that, I just clicked on that, and then so it like took me like changed my desktop to like one of the school kind of desktops.
Right.
Then I just minimized it and took the test in my original desktop because you have to use the SSPS or whatever.
Right.
And so I just had that like minimized, so when I needed to use that, I just brought it back up. And so you can just use your original desktop for the tests and stuff, but because you can like minimize it and like make it smaller so the other desktop is on like I don't know, like one half of your computer.
Okay. You want to get started?
Yeah.
You made me really nervous with that.
I'm so sorry. Like I thought I didn't know like we had different times to take the test and stuff.
Yeah, mine says Friday, February 5th.
That's cool though. What the heck? Why did I take mine in the middle of the week when I had a bunch of tests this week?
Oh my gosh. I got ahead of myself in one of my classes and nobody, like, I didn't understand what we were supposed to do our video presentation on. And it was in the week before that I hadn't read because I accidentally skipped a file. And oh, it was a mess. Ugh. Like
It's
nobody
rough.
posted in the discussion boards. Like, I don't know what's going on. I emailed my professor, and he's probably like, "You are not very smart, are you?"
That's funny. Let me close my door all the way. It's not closed. That's really funny though. That's something I would do. Okay.
Okay, I'm just trying to get the link to the applet so that I can. Hopefully. And we need the SPS for this, huh?
Yeah. So it's okay. Like this took me like a little while, but I don't know how to use SPSS. So I just opened Excel next to it and typed in. There's like 50 numbers to type, so I typed them in.
Oh,
So I could use the Excel because that's the one I know how to use, and you can only open it. And I had to like I couldn't open that link to the like the doctors or whatever.
uh-huh.
I couldn't open that on my like my actual desktop. I had to open it on the like the VMware desktop
Huh.
because it just wouldn't open on my computer.
Nice.
Because it's like Internet Explorer, and Internet Explorer is like blocked on my computer or something.
Huh.
I
Okay.
don't know. I just couldn't open up on my computer, and I had to open up on there. So
No, I have no idea. Ever. Okay. I guess I'll open whatever I need when I get there.
yeah.
Um, so should we go through part 2?
Yes.
So the graduate management admissions test is used as an admissions criterion in many Masters of Business Administration programs. The scores on, am I in the right one?
Yeah.
The scores on the GMAT in the past have a mean score of 29, the BYU professor feels now that the score has improved within the last couple of years. Determine the null and alternative hypothesis.
Okay.
So the null hypothesis would be that it'd be that HO equals, right?
The U, right, equals 529.
No, because and it would be greater than. Do you know what I'm talking about?
Yeah. Which one is the greater than one?
My papers got wet. Awesome.
So level of significance. So that's A. What am I reading? Enough evidence against null. Okay, I need to look at the. Okay, so the null hypothesis is HO. The foundational assumption about a population that represents the status quo. It is a statement of equality.
Do you see my?
Hold on one second. Yeah, I see it. Okay, yeah. So
right.
then, because it's greater than the other one, it's looking for, what is it? What does it say? So then the alternative hypothesis would be like the U is greater than 529 because we're looking for like, well, we're not really looking for anything, but it's like the score that has improved. So it's like bigger because it's improved.
So it'd be.
So the HA equals the U greater than 529.
Would be the alternative, right?
Yes. Okay.
So what would be the null then?
The null is equal to 529.
Okay. But it's that funny equal, right?
What?
It's that funny equal with the slash through it?
No, it's just equal because if there's slash through it, that means it's like doesn't work.
Okay. Suppose you got evidence that the null hypothesis should be rejected. However, in relativity, the mean score of students taking the exam is still 529. Was a type 1 or type 2 error occurred?
Well, so like in my my like social problems class, we talked about type 2 error, and type 2 error is like caused by the person. And like this isn't caused by the person. This is like the numbers are wrong or something.
And there's
the numbers just don't meet up, so it's a type 1. That's how I know what it is.
Well, and we also have this table. Hold on. I'm going to share my screen with you. This table over here.
Oh, yeah, I wrote that down.
So it would be type 1, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'd say type 1.
Yeah. And then okay.
Okay. If the analysis was done at a equals 0.01 level, what is the probability of committing a type 1 error?
Is it 1%?
Yeah, because it's wasn't it 2 decimal points?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. I hope.
I think it is. Okay. I need to look at this one. No. I want you smaller. Stop it. Okay, sorry.
You're fine. I just have it printed out, so I didn't pull it back up, and my pages got soaked.
Really?
Yeah. Because all the snow on my car melted, and apparently it melted in my trunk.
Uh-oh, that's not good.
Yeah, that's fun.
No, stupid textbook thing. Sorry, one side of my computer is a little frozen right now.
I hate online textbooks, just so that that's out there.
I mean, I like this one because we don't have to like pay for it and stuff.
Right.
That is not what I was doing. Okay.
I remember where it talks about it.
What are we looking up again?
The percentage. So if it's a 0.01 level, what is the probability of committing a type 1 error? We're trying to figure out, because they talked about moving decimal places and.
Okay. Level of significance is something else. Type 1 error. Typical values for A are 0.5, 0.10, 0.1. If the p-value is less than A, then we reject the null. Sorry, I was reading something else. That's good to know. Where does it say? Why do we not accept a null?
Oh, my computer's gonna die. Perfect.
I thought that was my computer. I was like, I thought you were plugged in. Where does it talk about the...
Why is it doing that?
Okay. Okay.
We're right. I just
Okay.
the answer key. Just
Okay.
and we've gotten everything else right so far, so.
Cool. Okay. Oh, there you are.
I'm plugging my computer in.
Oh, I was just talking to my Word document.
Oh.
Sorry, I talked out loud. Okay. So D says if we wanted to decrease the probability of making a type 2 error, we would need to increase or decrease the level of significance.
If we wanted to decrease the probability of making.
So if the typical values for A are blah, 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 if the p-value is less than A, we reject the null. If the p-value is not less than A, then we fail to reject the null. So
We would need to increase.
Yeah, increase it. Okay. Okay, so number 2 says, a study by the National Association of Realtors reported in 2004 that second home sales accounted for more than a third of residential real estate transactions. According to the report, the average age of a person buying a second home as an investment retail property, rental, I don't know what I'm saying, was 47 years. Assuming that the national standard deviation was 5, the real estate agent wants to determine if the average age of those buying investment property in this area is different than the national average. He randomly selects 15 of his clients who purchased an investment property and obtained the data shown below. It says, design a study. What is the population from which the realtor obtains his data? How did he sample his population? What is the research question? Okay, well, his population is from like the people who like use his business.
From clients.
Yeah, his clients.
But is it asking for like a simple random? Is that what the answer is looking for?
Okay, so we're just answering the little specific questions.
Okay.
Because on the answer key, it just answers that. So
yeah, that's what I just looked to.
Okay. So like, his population is the people who buy second homes.
And
And
just
then
sampled the people, his clients, right?
yeah, and then he sampled his population. Well, he said that like, so he picked 15. He randomly selected 15 of them. Selected 15 of them. And then what is the research question?
I would say it's how many, or at what, hold on. What's the average age of someone buying a second home as an investment rental?
That's what I think too. The average, like, what's the average age people buy an investment rental? My brother's about to buy a house.
That's exciting.
I know. I'm excited because he moved home to like save up money, and he's in my room right now. So I'm like, I want him to leave so I can have my room back.
I know, my brother's doing the same thing. Collect the data. Name at least one way the realtor could have randomly selected a sample. Collect what data?
And collect the data. I think that's just the like the different steps that we do. So we don't really have to collect the data. We just have to say, name what one way the realtor did this sample. Simple, I don't know, like
Drawing out of a hat.
yeah, drawing out of a hat. That sounds good to me. That's good.
Or a survey.
Yeah.
Describe the data. Graph the data on a histogram. Sketch the histogram below, or cut and paste your electronic copy in a short paragraph. Describe the data by using at least 5 descriptive statistics. Oh, geez.
Do we have that question? Okay, so
you just need an Excel, right? Or you could even do it a table in Word, couldn't you?
Yeah, we can just do the statistic part. I guess it's on the answer key.
Is it?
Yeah. Make an inference. Yeah. Okay.
I don't know how you would do that other than an Excel.
I know, same.
Okay. So, what do you want to do?
Do you just wanna like find the mean, the maximum, the first quartile, that kind of stuff? Or
Yeah.
do you just want to skip it?
Well, I just have to be done by 7.
Yeah. I say like we know how to do this question. It's just gonna take us a while, and we should like finish this so we can do the quiz.
Right.
I'm gonna laugh if our teacher like looks at this, and this is the part he looks at.
Right.
Oh well. Because if you like look at the answer key, then you can see like how if you have any questions or something, like you can kind of see how he did it. So, are you okay with that?
Yeah, I'm fine with that.
Okay.
Well, and the null hypothesis would be u equals 47. I think. What was Grace's phone number?
She her. Are you looking for her email?
Her phone number.
Did she just text you?
I think she tried to call me.
She just texted me. She's like, "Can I get another invite?"
Hi. Yes, this is her. Okay, I'm sending you another invite. Okay, sweet. Okay, bye.
Is this the month where we need to change the times?
It won't be for another week and a half for me.
Okay. On the 11th, that's a Thursday, I think, of this month, I have a stupid seminar thing I have to go to for my American Foundations, and it starts at 7. So I just need to be done by like 6:45.
That's fine.
Yeah. So.
Next week, so my daughter has swim lessons, and they start at 5:30, but it's like right down the street from our house, so I can be on by 6:15.
Okay.
And I don't have anywhere to be after that.
Okay.
So I don't think Grace got in.
Did you? I don't know how to send an invite.
And I sent her one.
Can you like call her from this?
No, I don't know how to do that. I'll try it one more time. Let me see if I can do it this way. Okay, I sent her an invite and I copy and pasted the link to this in the chat. So
okay.
But I mean, if you look at the null hypothesis would be the u equals 47 because that's the original hypothesis that the average age is 47. And then if it was disproved, the alternative hypothesis would be that the u does not equal 47.
Yeah, and that'd be the equal sign with the slash.
Right. Grace is in.
Yay!
Hey guys, sorry that took so long. Okay, where are you guys at on the worksheet?
We are on number 3. I don't know which one we're on. Oh my goodness, I have too many tabs open.
Let me see.
It's 2D.
2D?
Oh, yeah, okay.
And we're on the Roman numeral 3.
Okay, I think I got to 2D, and then I'm on Roman numeral 1, but let me see. I gotta get it open.
Let A equal 0.5k. Okay, what do we do with that? Did you take your test?
Yeah, I did.
How'd you do?
I did good. I got one wrong, and I think it was, I'm not exactly sure, but it was just, I got one of them wrong.
So my exam says I don't have to do it until Friday. Isn't that weird?
Yeah. It's not due till Friday, I don't think, is it?
I thought it was. I don't know. I'm gonna look at it now.
Because Haley said it was due Wednesday, and I'm like, oh my goodness, did I miss it?
Oh, yeah. You know what?
Mine was due
on
yesterday.
iLearn it said it was due on Wednesday for me too, but I don't really know.
Mine says it's not due till Friday, so I'm going with Friday. Hopefully,
Hopefully that works for you. Hopefully it doesn't
Right.
just close randomly.
It took me 2 hours to take it.
It took me 2 hours as well. I'm a really slow test taker.
perfect.
I got an 86 on it.
Good job. That's awesome.
Thanks.
I'll be happy with an 86.
When it said 86, I was like, oh, what?
It's exciting.
Let the level of
computer.
significance be a 0.05.
When would the level of significance be 0.05? Is that what you said?
It says let the level of significance be a equals 0.05.
Oh, that part is just kind of like letting you know that. You can go on to the next part.
Okay. Compute the test statistic. What is the formula to be used? Recall our test statistic will be a z-score. After writing down the general formula, input the numbers you will use. Show the work. Finally, use Excel or a calculator to compute your test statistics.
Okay. So, what's the X number?
47, right?
Isn't you 47 though?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, there we go. I have it open now.
So it would be the mean of all those numbers minus 47, right?
Let's see. Let's compute the test statistic. What is the formula to be used? Yeah, okay. So the formula that you use, sorry, I just got my thing open, so I'm like caught up,
This
kind of queued up
one?
right now.
The z-score formula, right?
Yeah, that one.
So
And
would it be
then
46.7333 minus 47?
Let's see, I don't know, just a second. I've got a lot of things going on here.
You're fine.
Country music. Sorry if you guys hear me mumbling.
That's okay. Let's see.
My roommates just listen to my least favorite kind of music.
That's awesome. Okay. I need a pen. What? Okay. Do you have a pen?
I have a pen, but
No, I was talking to my husband. Thank you, though. I appreciate that. Thank you.
I don't think I can give it to you through the computer.
That would be great, but okay, let's see. So, it's gonna be x over this over. Sorry, I'm so not prepared today, guys. Let's see. So it's x minus x over.
No, it's x minus u.
Oh, x minus u. Oh, yeah.
population number.
U minus, or over O over square root of n.
N.
Okay.
So X would be
I
the
don't know what
mean,
this
right?
will- Yeah, X is the overall mean of the sample or something like that.
Yeah, so it's 46 point.
7333333.
Oh, yeah, I got that. Okay. The average age is about 46.73 in this group. And then,
And then minus 47.
yeah, is that the mean? I mean, yeah, is that the mean of the whole thing?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah,
What's
of the,
oh. Ooh.
that would be the standard deviation.
Oh, forgot what that was.
But I don't know how to find out what standard deviation is.
So the standard deviation is 8.8 2744638.
How'd you know that?
The answer key.
Answer key.
Oh,
But like if you like put all the questions in Excel and like you did all the math, you could
Right.
figure that out.
oh, got it. Yeah, I have.
You put all the
I think
data.
I have it in Excel anyway, because I had to do the chart for part C.
Right.
So
Yeah.
yeah, okay. So you just put it into Excel and figure it
I
out.
just
right?
have to leave at 7, so we didn't do all that. We just used.
So what is it again?
It's
Standard deviation.
8.8274638. I don't know which way you want to round that to.
Okay, and then we do that over the square root of n. And how many did we have? Like 15?
Yes.
Yeah. Okay. So over the square root of 15. So I'm gonna plug that into my calculator. I think this is right. Did you guys already get the answer? I feel like I'm way behind you guys. 8.827.
It is.
That. And 4.73.
Well, 8.7.
I got negative 18.545.
Yeah, that's wrong.
Uh-oh. Okay. What'd you get?
Well, the answer key.
Oh.
Hold on. I was putting it in my calculator. Oh, jeez. 1 second.
Regardless, this is equal to z-score.
I'm happy we only have one homework assignment.
What?
Said I'm happy we only have one homework assignment.
Yeah. It's kind of a relief. So let me see. What should the answer turn out to be?
0.20.
0.2, no. Yeah, that one.
0.2 what? So we should do
0910.
So do we need to flip-flop the 47 and the 46? Because it should be a positive, right?
Yeah, I think that we might have to do that because
Oh, okay.
that would make it a positive.
Yeah.
Divided by 8.8. 44638 over square root of 15. I got 0.1 something something something.
Oh, geez. I wonder if it's how we round.
I haven't
Probably.
really rounded a whole lot. Well, I guess I did. 46.73. 7333333 minus 46 divided by 8.2 Oh, I just cleared everything.
Of course. Okay. So
Oh my goodness, they're so loud.
Yeah, I was wondering whose house it was. Pretty silly.
Hey guys, I don't know if party people, but you guys are really loud. I cannot hear the people I'm talking to.
Oh, I'm sorry. Do you have people in your room?
No, I'm like video chatting with them for my math class.
Oh my
And I just don't have headphones that I can talk to people with.
Oh, you're using that computer?
Yeah.
Thank you.
Sorry.
That's good. Divided by 8.8274463.
These walls are not soundproof.
Yeah. I don't hear them now. 15.
You guys could hear them?
Yes.
Yeah, I could hear them.
Oh my gosh.
Yeah, I keep getting the same thing. It's 0.116.
Maybe we put the wrong numbers in.
Yeah. That's why I stopped on this one, is because I didn't understand it. Let's see.
Okay, let me look at it.
This whole class I'm just struggling with.
It's hard because it's online and you have to like figure everything out yourself.
Right.
There's no real teaching from anything else except for yourself.
Textbook isn't all that great either.
Yeah. I'm not really good at reading textbooks either. Like
I
can
do
read
fine,
them,
but it just doesn't have a very good breakdown, and it's got a lot of like fluff.
yeah, in between.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it's hard to pull out what you really need.
Let's see.
Okay. Okay. So the sample mean.
Okay.
Sample mean and of so it's X is the sample mean, U is the population mean.
Okay. So it is 46.73 minus 47.
Yeah.
Okay. And then that's over.
The standard deviation divided by the square root of n.
Are you guys sure you're not looking at the wrong answer for the answer key?
Yeah.
Okay. I'm gonna open it up too. 'Cause that would be terrible.
And so standard deviation, where is it? Where is that one?
The standard deviation is 8.827444638.
Where does it say that?
On the table. On the answer key.
Oh, got it. Okay. I'm gonna go back. I wonder if I have it still. No, I put it on another Excel. Dang it. I did this at school and not on my computer. Let's see.
Okay, I'm gonna write. So it's 46.733 minus 47, right?
Yeah, 46.733.
8.8274. And my pen's
Equal to the standard deviation.
Okay. 46.733 minus.
Yeah, I got 8.827 on the Excel as well. Divided by that. What if the answer key is wrong? I feel like it's wrong.
Then the answer key is wrong. Yeah, our teacher is wrong. And
we should get extra credit.
We all take the class and we all get 100%.
Perfect. 0.20910. 0.209.
I don't know.
Do you want to go ahead and just put our answer down and then...
Yeah.
So the answer I got was 0.1169982252. I don't know why that's different.
Yeah, I got -0.100. Oh well. What are we gonna do? We can't do anything about it being wrong.
Yeah.
Let's just keep going.
Okay. So
Yeah.
let's compute the p-value. First, we need to sketch a standard normal curve.
Our test statistic?
Our test statistic is found with the z-score.
I think the test statistic is the z-score.
Yeah. It definitely is.
Will be a z-score, yeah.
Yeah, and then so we just plug that in and find the p-value, and that's whatever the area is.
It's the area of the two outsides, isn't it?
Yeah. The outlet, which I don't have open.
Right.
Oh, I'll go get it open. Applet. I need to have like a quick link to that or something.
For reals.
Will you copy and paste it again?
Yeah. What was that?
There you go.
Oh, you beat me. Okay. So I'm gonna put the one that they have though because I don't think we'll get it right.
Right.
Okay, 0.2.
0910.
2.
I got an area of 0.8344.
Yep, that's what I got too. Okay.
So that's the probability value, the p-value.
Okay, and then where is it? Okay, and then question.
What was the answer? 0.8. I didn't catch it. I didn't memorize it.
0.833. Oh, sorry, 8344. I don't know. I'm sorry.
0.8344. Okay.
Yeah.
Is equal to the
Okay.
p-value.
And then number 6 says compare the p-value to the level of significance. Do we reject the null hypothesis or fail to reject the null?
Okay.
It's we fail to reject.
What is the level of significance? It's
The level
0.05.
of significance is 0.05.
Because I said let's just assume it.
So it's above that, right?
And
Yep.
when... Wait, it's above 0.05? Oh,
Yeah.
Yeah, so it like eats a bigger number, right?
Yeah.
Mhm.
Okay, yeah. So then we fail to reject the null.
Okay. Bless you.
Bless you.
Okay.
Okay. State your conclusions in terms of the alternative hypothesis.
So that
So
would
if we
be that.
fail to reject the null, then that means that we reject the alternative hypothesis.
Yeah, we don't have enough evidence.
So don't you
There-
have to put that into that equation?
No,
think we
we don't have to. We don't need to do any equation. We just need to write stuff.
So there isn't enough evidence to prove that the alternative, does that kind of sound right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Hypothesis is true.
Okay.
Therefore, oh, yeah, we fail to reject.
Oh, I guess mine says it's not due till Friday, February.
Oh.
It's on like my iLearn. It tells me it was due on Wednesday, but on my like when I look at the actual test, it says due Friday. Well, I'm happy I took it on Wednesday.
What action, if any, do you suggest the realtor to take based on your statistical conclusion?
I think that he should.
Market towards that age group?
Yeah.
Yeah, he shouldn't market towards any other age group because there's nothing to prove that it's any other age group.
Yeah. Okay. How many questions are there in the quiz? There's 21 questions on our quiz.
Oh my gosh.
It'll probably be quick, a couple of them.
Have you guys opened the quiz yet?
Huh?
Have you opened the quiz yet?
And I have so many things open.
I know.
Sometimes I don't like Macs because there's just too many. Let's see. 20
Oh, wait.
pages.
No, I don't need that anymore. Don't need that.
Okay.
Don't need that.
Let's see. So, group meeting. Quiz. Okay. This is lesson 9, right? Yeah.
Yes.
Check.
Hypothesis.
Are you guys there yet?
Yeah.
Okay, I'm there.
A hypothesis test consists of two hypotheses, the null hypothesis and the alternative hypotheses. Which one represents the status quo? It's the null hypothesis.
No. Yeah.
Yeah.
Which hypothesis? Oh.
No, you can finish.
Which hypothesis involves equality?
Isn't that the null too? I don't know.
Involves equality of what?
The equality. Or
Oh, yeah. So it'd be like XO is equal to 5 or 47. And
The
then
same
the
of
alternative
equality.
hypothesis would be
Yeah, so null
Inequality.
yeah,
So
the alternative would be inequality, so
yeah, so null hypothesis.
or alternative could be like greater or less than. Yeah, okay.
Yeah. It's the inequality.
The p-value is the probability of obtaining a sample statistic at least as extreme as the one that was actually observed. Use the information to answer question 5. When computing the probability, which hypothesis do you assume to be true?
Then the alternative hypothesis, because you either reject the null hypothesis. Wait.
No, it's null hypothesis.
It's the null hypothesis? Okay. Because you reject it.
Yeah. When we test hypotheses, we assume the null hypothesis is true.
Ooh.
Okay.
But don't throw math at me. I can do all the definitions. Just don't throw the math at me.
Perfect. You can do that part. I'll do the definition. I'll do the math stuff. It'll be great.
Until the quiz, yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Suppose the null hypothesis is equal to 10, or the mean is equal to 10. Use this information to answer 6 through 8. Which of the following represents the alternative hypothesis for a two-tailed test? That would be the mean is not equal to 10.
So
because it would go both ways.
Slash.
And it'd be two-sided. Yeah, it'd be the little slash, because that would be the two-tailed test.
It's not equal to it.
Which of the following represents the alternative hypothesis for the left-tailed test?
It's one pointing to the left.
Yeah.
So,
and the next one's the other one. to the right. Outcome of a hypothesis test is determined by comparing the p-value to the level of significance, or alpha. Use this information. I don't know what letter that is actually. Use this information for 9 through 10. So which relationship would result in failing to reject the null hypothesis? That's when the p-value is greater than.
So for 7
all
and
the
8,
significance.
I'm sorry, like,
Oh,
is the hand supposed to be eating the 10 for 7?
It's supposed to be pointing to the left.
Oh, okay.
The arrow points left.
Okay, and then for 8, the arrow points
To the
Right.
Okay.
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah, that's totally fine.
So which relationship would result in failing to reject the hypotheses?
When rejecting, it's when the p-value is less than a, right?
I think so.
This is like the worst section for me because it's all just, there's no equations or anything. There's like,
Right.
it's all just memorizing stuff.
Okay. A p-value is for probability of getting a test statistic at least as extreme as one you got. Assuming HO is true, a p-value is calculated by finding the area under distribution. The alternative hypothesis tells us whether we look at both tails or only one. I don't know what I just read. So.
What did you just read? I didn't catch that.
It was like p-value stuff.
Okay.
How do we decide p-value is small enough to reject the null hypothesis? We need a way to determine if there is enough evidence. Sorry, I'm just
Well,
reading.
it says if the p-value is less than a, we reject the null. If the p-value is not less than a, then we fail to reject the null.
Okay.
Yeah. And that's the same as in our quiz, or our homework thing, our preparation thing. Because 8 was bigger than 2, we decided, or 8 was bigger than 0.05, we decided that we should reject, or fail to reject the null hypothesis. Because p-value is bigger than a.
So 9 is the p-value is greater than a.
Yeah.
So
And then number 10 is
p-value?
the p-value is less than a.
Yeah.
So for number 9, the arrow needs to point towards the p-value.
Yeah.
No,
Oh,
it needs to be like eating it. Does that make sense?
The arrow is pointing towards the a, so it's pointing right.
Okay.
The p-value is greater than the a.
There's the p.
It'll be the first dot too.
Right.
And then 10 is the second dot.
An insurance company is reviewing its current policy rates. When originally setting the rates, they believed that the average claim amount was $1,500. I was like, how do I...
There's like 5 ways to say it.
They are concerned that the true mean is actually higher than this. Use the information for question 11 through 12. Which of the following would be the appropriate alternative hypothesis? The average claim amount is equal to... No. The average claim amount is not equal to $1,500. The average claim amount is greater than $1,500. And the average claim amount is less than $1,500. Well, they think it's greater than, so it'd be the third one, right?
Yeah, I think
I
so.
think. Okay, which of the following would be the null hypothesis for HO?
The average claim amount is equal to $1,500.
Yeah.
Yeah. The insurance. Oh, sorry.
Go ahead.
Okay. The insurance company randomly selected 40 claims and calculates a sample mean of 1,650. Use this information for 13 through 15. The insurance company assumes the distribution of the sample mean is normal. Is this a good assumption? The insurance company assumes the distribution?
Yeah.
Yeah. I think so. Insurance company, yeah.
What theorem
Okay.
or law justifies your answer to the previous question?
Oh, it could be the central limit theorem because everything bigger than a certain amount, it will be normal.
Well, you guys said yes, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah, so it's yes, and because of the central limit theorem. Because when you have a lot of, like, more than a certain amount then of n, then you can, it's a normal curve. Which of the following is this test statistic as defined in this lesson? We said Z.
Yeah.
Historical mean of sales receipts at a grocery store is 150 with standard deviation of 40. Store manager suspects that the average has decreased. He sets up a hypothesis test with the following hypotheses. Either, so the null is that the mean is equal to 150, and the alternative is that it's less than 150. She will use a level of significance of A is equal to 0.05. She then takes a simple random sample of 36 sales receipts from her store and computes $144 as a sample mean. Use the information for 16 through 18.
This would be the z-score equation. So
Yeah,
it'd be,
that we weren't able to get before.
right. It'd be 144 minus 150, right?
Oops.
Yeah, well,
144
that's
minus
but it didn't work for us before, so I don't know if it will now.
50 over. What is the O? What is the O? Standard deviation?
Is that 0.05?
It says it has a standard deviation of 40.
Oh,
Where is this? Oh, I see it. I see it. And then the simple random sample is 36. So we should be
How
able to
many
do this
was it?
problem. 36.
36.
Then she takes a simple random sample of 36 sales.
Oh, yeah. Okay. That makes it easy, because that's 6.
I got
I
negative.
wish all the questions gave us all this information.
I know. You got what?
Negative 0.9.
Okay.
How does do math so fast?
Negative 6 over 4 over 6. Yeah, I got negative 9.
Negative 9? I got negative 0.9.
Oh, you're right, because
I got negative 0.92.
it's because I put a
Not
4
92, but
instead of a 40.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. You got 0.9? Negative 0.9?
Yep.
Yep.
Okay.
What
Let's
is
go with it. I don't know if it's going to be right, because we didn't get it before, but I
Right.
think
But if we, I mean, last time none of us got the same answer even close, so
yeah.
at least this time we got that going for us.
yeah, and it gave us all the information, so we better
Yeah,
get it
like
right.
straight, it gave it to us, so.
What is the p-value associated with the z-score from the previous question? Oh, we have to plug it in the applet, right?
Yeah.
It's 0.3681, right?
Hold on.
0.3681?
Yeah, I think so. Yeah.
Push for
0.3681.
0.368.
Oh, I lost the page.
Uh-oh.
Oh, there we go. Okay.
Failed to reject one all.
What reference would you make about the null hypothesis for this problem?
The failed to reject the null, right? Because it's
Below 0.05?
or it's above.
Actually, it's above it. Yeah. So it would fail to reject the null hypothesis because it's above it.
Okay. There are two types of errors that can be made when performing a hypothesis test. Which one involves rejecting the null hypothesis when the null hypothesis is true?
That's from the homework. I'm gonna go look at it.
I am too. Type 1.
Yeah. I think so.
Okay.
A researcher decided that instead of using a level of significance of A, Greek letter A equals 0.05, he will use Greek letter A equals 0.01. Which of the following will be true?
Hold on, I have to go back to the.
Okay, a researcher decides whether a instead of using level of significance, he made it lower.
So instead of it being 5/10, it's 1/10. 5/10.
So,
5/100.
what is the homework question? I'll look that up. Because I know it's like the opposite.
So
So,
Oh, it'd be
wouldn't it increase the probability of making a type 2 error?
I thought it would decrease because it's only 1% versus 5%.
So the level of significance measures the probability of a type 1 error. And when the type 1 error decreases, the type 2 increases. So I think you're right. I think it's type 2.
Okay.
Yeah, because the question on the homework says if we wanted to decrease the probability of making a type 2 error, would we need to increase or decrease the level of significance? And it's increase the level of significance. So if we're decreasing it, we're just making our probability of getting a type 2 error like bigger.
Yeah, will increase. Yeah, I think that's good.
If it's wrong, I'm sorry, guys.
Oh, it's okay. I'll plug it in first. Let's see. If A is equal to 0.05, compute the probability of committing a type 1 error.
Isn't it 5%?
Isn't it 5%?
Yeah, should we put 5% or 0.05? I'm going to put 0.05.
I'll just put 5. I'm just going to put the 5.
Okay, good luck. Let's see. It's taking forever to submit.
What did
Woohoo!
you put? Did you put 5.0?
I put 0.05 and it was fine.
0.05?
0.05, yeah.
0.05?
Yeah, 0.05.
Or 5.0?
What? I put 0.05.
And you got it right?
Yeah.
Which one did we miss?
We missed number 17. Or I did.
I did too.
I need to.
Wonder why.
Oh well.
Because we got the first one right.
Yeah, I wonder
Oh,
if
we
it was
didn't
supposed to
round
be.
to 3 decimal places.
I did.
I did.
rounded 368.
That's what I did.
Hmm.
Oh well. Whatever.
That's the thing. I don't know what we did when we were wrong.
Maybe
Like,
we highlighted the wrong part or something. I don't know.
yeah.
Maybe we're
That's
only
true.
supposed to
I
highlight the
wonder if
wrong
we
part.
were
Oh,
only
you know what?
do one chunk.
We were only supposed to do the left chunk because this was a one-tailed. It was a left-tailed
Yeah.
alternative hypothesis. So the answer was supposed to be. I'm glad we figured that out because it was going to bother me a little bit.
Right.
It was supposed to be 0.1841 instead of the other one.
So on Tuesday, are we meeting at 6?
Thursday?
Oh.
Wait, Tuesday. Today's Thursday. Sorry.
Sorry.
Yeah.
Okay.
Let's do that. Good job, you guys.
Bye.
Have a good weekend.
Bye.
Good luck
Bye.
on your